This year at MCE 2026, we are presenting our full oil-free portfolio, which offers integrated system solution to our customers to achieve the highest efficiency for oil-free systems. Starting with Danfoss Turbocor compressors, we are showcasing this year our TGS 380 active cooling compressor, which is featuring a heat exchanger located underneath the top cover, which is providing an additional cooling to the topside electronics. This allows the compressor to extend the operating range, including both standard and high SST. The range of SST is from -1 degree C up to 35 degrees C, and the SDT up to 75 degrees C. For the first time this year, Danfoss is also showcasing our TNS 385 compressor, which is working with isobutane. And this is showing the commitment from Danfoss to offer to the market and to our customers oil-free centrifugal compressors with natural refrigerants. Along with the compressor portfolio, we're also offering our complete oil-free ecosystem, starting from the OFC, which is our oil-free check valve, which is including a damped check valve, a diverging nozzle, a staging port, and a ball valve. It is resolving a lot of pain points just in one single compact device. We are also offering our OFB, both on the suction and the discharge. They can be motorized, and these valves can prevent refrigerant migration from the system into the compressor, especially when on idle conditions and in cold ambient temperatures. Along with that, we are also offering our PTS staging valve, which is offering a breakthrough speed in opening and closing of about 5 seconds. And this is ensuring the best efficiency and protection for compressors under surge condition in both startup and shutdown operations. Along with that, we have our ETS main expansion valve, which is a stepper motor expansion valve available for many sizes and compatible with all refrigerants. It can be driven by Danfoss drives or any other drive. Along with that, we also have our filter dryers. We have a lot of sensors. We do offer our microchannel coils. They are optimized for refrigerant content and optimal fluid distribution. And then we are also offering AllSmart, which is our programmable controller platform, which is highly customizable, and it is of course compatible with oil-free components and Danfoss Turbocor compressors. We are also offering a Turbocor cloud monitoring system, which is allowing the compressors to be connected to the cloud and allows users to download the faults and events log, trend data remotely from anywhere. Please come see us at MCE 2026, Hall 11, PO1 R10. Thank you.